Morning all, myself Nimit Jain from Arya College of Engineering IT. Today we take our topic logistic regression, in short term is known as a LR. It's very important topic of DA, and this is my agenda. Introduction of LR, model development, types of logistic regression, estimation of logistic regression mode, logistic regression 1 dimension and 2 dimension, then segment function, example and illustrations. The logistic regression is used to analyze relationship between the discontinuous dependent variable and continuous or discontinuous independent variable. But our focus has a binary logistic regression. Logistic regression combines the independent variable to estimate the probability that a particular event will occur such that a subject will be member of one of the group defined by the discontinuous dependent variable. Model development. First, we know about binary logistic regression. The logistic regression gives the formula of predict the logistic transform from probability of presence of characteristic interest rate. So the model is given by log it p equals to b0 plus b1 x1 plus bk xk. So in logistic regression, odds is given by log it p equals to ln p upon 1 minus p. So model development is multinomial logic. Regression is used in the dependent variable in the question is nominal or it's the two categories. Two additional assumptions. The multinomial logistic model assumed that data are case specified that each independent variable has a single value for each cases. There is no need for independent variable to be statically independent from each other. With one parameter py is given by 1 upon 1 plus e minus b0 plus b1 x1 plus epsilon 1. Outcome, the predicted probability of outcome occurring, and b0 and b1 can be taught in much the same way as multiple regression. Not the normal regression equation form parts in logistic regression equations, and with several parameters it's our equation. Measuring the probability of outcome. The probability of the outcome is measured by the odds of occurrence of an event. If p is the probability, then event between 1 minus p probability is not occurring, then odds is success given by p upon 1 minus p. Then types of logistic regression. First is binary logistic. It is used when dependent variable is discontinuous, and multinomial logistic regression. It's used when dependent or outcome variables more than two categories. Odds and odd ratio is given by ln p upon 1 minus p and ln p minus ln 1 minus p. The logic it is defined in log in minus infinity to infinity. It's our graph. So we conclude our chapter today. Thank you.